Howdy! The Office of Admissions is excited you've taken this opportunity to learn about Texas A&M University at Qatar. By viewing this video, you're taking the first step toward becoming a Fightin' Texas Aggie. This presentation will cover a little bit about Texas A&M and a lot about the admission process. Welcome to one of the best universities in the U.S. and the world, Texas A&M University. Texas A&M does more than educate engineers. We shape young men and women who will be leaders in their professional fields and in their communities. Our students are scholars of outstanding intellect, integrity, and character who become the problem solvers of tomorrow, as well as engineers who uphold the highest professional and ethical standards. When A&M opened in 1876, it was the very first public college in Texas. Since then, A&M has earned an international reputation for excellence. With a total enrollment of almost 70,000, including 5,000 from 130 nations around the world, A&M has one of America's largest student bodies, and our faculty are globally recognized both for teaching and pioneering research. That's because A&M is one of America's elite research centers, with almost $700 million in annual research funding. We're at the forefront of cutting-edge work across a variety of disciplines. Our engineering programs are the cornerstone of A&M's top-tier status. Engineering has been a major focus of our university since its beginning, and today the College of Engineering ranks among the top 10 public engineering schools in America, in both graduate and undergraduate programs. This international reputation for engineering excellence is why Texas A&M was asked to establish a branch campus half a world away in Qatar. In partnership with the Qatar Foundation for Education, Science, and Community Development, Texas A&M University at Qatar opened in 2003. A&M joined an exclusive handful of other leading universities invited to open campuses in Doha's Education City. Although thousands of miles from Texas, the Doha campus is a valued part of the Texas A&M family. Degrees are granted by Texas A&M University, and, like their peers in Texas, students in Education City will enjoy everything that makes the A&M experience so special. Here, students will find the sort of well-rounded education that has made American universities the best in the world. Our college combines the prestige and resources of a major research university with the personalized attention of a small campus. With a student-to-faculty ratio of 6:1, students get lots of valuable interaction with their professors. While you are a student at Texas A&M in Qatar, you may have the opportunity to cross-register for other courses at other universities in Education City. We also cultivate students' professional and personal development with internships, study abroad opportunities, and other real-world experiences. With on-campus dormitories at Education City, students can be fully involved in the academic and social life of the university. We also offer a variety of extracurricular activities. This other education is an essential part of the Aggie experience because it instills leadership, teamwork, and community involvement while building lasting friendships and memories. What's more, you will become part of the Aggie family. Texas A&M is one of America's most well-respected institutions because the Aggie experience goes beyond academics and shapes students' character. Our graduates exemplify A&M's core values of leadership, integrity, and service to others. Aggies form lifelong bonds of loyalty to each other and to their school. This Aggie spirit unites more than 500,000 former students all around the world. The university offers a Bachelor of Science degree in 4 of the most exciting engineering fields: chemical, electrical, mechanical, and petroleum engineering. All offer excellent career opportunities for students who excel in math and science and who like solving problems. For example, chemical engineers apply knowledge gained from basic sciences and practical experience to design, develop, and manage the conversion of raw chemical materials into useful products ranging from gasoline to plastics. Because it is a broadly based discipline, chemical engineers are in demand for a variety of industries, including petrochemicals, food and pharmaceutical processing, pollution control, and many others. Students who major in electrical engineering will be at the forefront of technological advancements touching nearly every facet of life. Electrical engineers analyze and design systems in diverse fields such as telecommunications, electric energy, computers, and consumer electronics. In mechanical engineering, students learn how to make things work through the design of machinery, automation and control systems, robotics, manufacturing systems, and even the generation and conversion of thermal energy. Mechanical engineers are versatile professionals who are sought out by industry, government, consulting, and research organizations. Petroleum engineering focuses on the efficient extraction of fossil fuels from the earth through the design, drilling, and operation of wells. This flourishing field unlocks the energy that powers the world economy, and the Petroleum Engineering Department at Texas A&M is consistently ranked as one of America's best. To get into one of these selective programs, you will need strong academic records, especially in math and science. You need to excel in critical thinking and problem solving. Equally important, you need a global perspective and the ability to thrive in a multicultural environment. A&M wants students who can work as a team and who can exercise leadership. Admission to Texas A&M in Qatar is highly competitive. Every year we receive many applications for a limited number of seats. Applicants will need to have completed certain coursework in high school, including 4 years in math, 4 years in science, and English prep courses. Students who want to pursue a degree in engineering are expected to enroll in advanced math and science courses in school. You can complete the online application at the university's website. You will also need to submit a passport copy, high school transcripts, SAT or ACT scores, TOEFL or IELTS scores, an essay, resume, reference forms, and an application fee. Students should apply online at the following website: www.qatar.tamu.edu/apply. An SAT or ACT examination is required for admissions consideration. Students are expected to meet a minimum math score of 550 on the SAT or a minimum math score of 24 on the ACT. Priority consideration will be given to candidates who achieve a competitive math test score in either examination. You should give all sections of these examinations your full attention. The higher score you achieve in the SAT or ACT, the better your chance to be considered for admission. The TOEFL or IELTS examination is required for admission consideration as well. Students are expected to meet a minimum TOEFL score of 550 paper-based, 213 computer-based, or 80 internet-based. As for the IELTS, a minimum overall score of 6.0 is required. Priority consideration will be given to candidates who achieve a competitive test score in either examination. Again, the higher score you achieve on the TOEFL or IELTS, the better your chance to be considered for admission. The application essay must be written by you, the applicant, and should describe your individual uniqueness and personal achievements. This is your chance to present your special skills, the challenges you have overcome, or anything else you feel the university should know about you. Discuss your interest in engineering, why you chose a specific major, and why you want to study at Texas A&M at Qatar. On your resume, list your academic achievements as well as your extracurricular activities. These can include leadership roles, community service, awards, sports, and part-time jobs. The required reference forms can be downloaded from the university's admissions website. One reference must be from your math or science teacher, and the other can be from another teacher or school administrator. The forms must be submitted to the admissions office in sealed envelopes. All required forms, credentials, and test scores must be received before the deadline, which is March 1st. If you think Texas A&M might be the place for you, apply today. The freshman application window opens on September 1st and closes on March 1st. Supporting documents, such as reference forms and transcripts, can be mailed to our admissions office in Qatar or submitted in person at the admissions offices from Sunday through Thursday, 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. All Qatari students will be sponsored by the government or other organizations. The tuition for non-sponsored students is shown on the screen. This amount includes books and fees, but not room and board. Need-based financial aid is available to non-Qatari students through the Qatar Foundation after they've been admitted. This requires a separate application procedure. Merit-based scholarships are sometimes available from Texas A&M at Qatar, and Qatar Foundation has some scholarships available too. For questions and additional information about the university and the application process, contact the Office of Admissions or visit the admissions website at exploretamuq.com. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Texas A&M University at Qatar. We wish you the best of luck with your application, and we hope you will be part of the new upcoming Texas Aggie class. Salam and Gig'em.